Good evening. This is February 7, 2023. This is a brand new washing machine GE Profile which we bought from Lowes a few weeks back. And this is to show you how does this machine work. It just stop making those banging sounds. And as you can see, it has moved forward this much ahead of its place. It's a walking machine. It jumps, bangs to the wall, moves right and left, and you can see terrible design. Look at this drum. I don't think so this drum can last very long with this vibration and this terrible wobbling movement. So something which is supposed to support this is not working okay. And you can see not too much of a load in it, just few clothes in it. Terrible design. And if you go on internet and do some research on GE Profile, you will know that this is a very poor design. GE needs to stop making these useless machines.